Shalom, real quick, giving all praise to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushai, Hashem, Rakakwadash, Shalom to the 144,000 and the rest of you elect out there. Shalom to you all. And I'm going to entitle this video, America, You've Been Had. Anyway, there's a video put up by, matter of fact, I'm going to subscribe to this individual, get his notifications. Will Lesrie, I'm thinking that this is him. Title of the video is asking famous clothing factories their prices. This is a high-end clothing, and you'll be amazed at the prices and how much of a sucker you people are here in America, mainly in America. Hey, Revelation 18. Right, I got to go through Revelation 18 again. Maybe I'll do it later, and I'll go into the NLT. They're going to mourn when Babylon is utterly destroyed, because the main reason why they're going to mourn, and China's going to be one of the nations, they're going to mourn because they ain't going to make no more money. But they ain't going to make money anyway because they're going into captivity. Okay, so here's the name of the video, asking famous clothing factories their prices, put up by Will Lesrie. So that's it. The truth is coming out on these devils, right? Here's another one. This Chinese guy revealed that many luxury brands are made in China. They say like 85 to 90% of the luxury shit that you get over here is made in China. They'll stamp on Italy, whatever, France. And see, you know who gets caught up in this? Jake. Especially you, Jake, that make you niggas that play for the NBA, NFL, boxers, Jakes in the hip hop industry, the music industry, the R&B industry. This is what they do. They got you as suckers, especially the jewelers. You don't know nothing about gold. You don't know the difference between a 10 karat gold and a 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold. Your highest quality jewelry made of gold is 18. If somebody said this 24 karat, that's bullshit. So anyway, watch this video, come back and leave me a comment. And I'm gonna put this up as a premiere, so it's not gonna be long anyway. But here it is. Here one more time, asking famous clothing factories their prices. So with that, it's on to the next. Shalom.